So, hi, I am Ankita Gupta. I built a smart task manager using Flask for the backend and React for the front end. The goal of this project was to create a simple but reliable system that maintains proper structure, prevent invalid actions, and is easy to extend. This application allow users to create the task and track their progress, like from to do to in progress and to the done. It also include a small AI features that suggest that task priority based on the description. So let me demonstrate how it works. Suppose I create a task that is complete assignment. This is the title of the task, and in the description I have written that it is urgent to do it. Okay, and then I just create on the create task button, and my task is now getting created. Now here my task get created successfully, and here my task is get added, and the here AI feature, that is the high, that here how AI is working, that based on your task description it just tell that whether what is the priority of this task, whether it is high, low, or medium. So this is the task that is created, and it is initially it is in the to do column. And suppose I started working on this assignment and I click on the start button here, then my task will move to the in progress, and if I completed the task, if I click on the complete button, then it will move to the done. So this is how basically my this smart task manager works. um, uh, Now I just want to give so my github repo, that how it is actually. So here I have maintain the architecture of my GitHub. The first folder that I have created is the backend, and I just follow the modular way. Then the second one is the front end. So if I just show my backend folder, so uh, inside my backend folders, I have others folder, that is model. It's basically define the structure of the database. Then I have the schema folders. It basically handles the validations. And then I have the routes that basically handle the API request and response. And then I have the test. I have used the PyTest here, so it contains the PyTest. And then I have the utils here. Utils folders are here. It is basically used helper logic for the AI priority. Okay, and then I have here the main one, that is the app.py. This is the entry point of the you can say our application. So this is all it is. And uh, if I have another folder for the front end one. Okay, so here it is the front end folder, and inside it there is SRC folder where my all the components are there of my project. And then I have the uh, services here where all my API calls to the backends are there. Then I have some hooks, and then I have AI. Apart from these front end and backend, I have the AI guidelines also. I have created that file also, where I have just showcased that how I used AI in making this project, and how the AI feature in this project is working. Okay, so if I'm talking about the technical decision that I have taken, so I have used a service layer to separate business logic from routes, used schema validation to prevent invalid output, and also enforce a strict status transition to maintain correctness of the code. If I just demonstrated how I use the AI in this. So I have used the Claude and anti-gravity to for the development of this project, but that is only for the generating initial code and structure. However, I did not rely on it blindly. I review all the code, test it, and ensure proper validation. Um, um, so how I deploy the project, I have deployed the front end using the Vercel, and for the backend I have used the render one. And for the database I have used Neon, uh, Postgres SQL. And there are some limitation in this project right now, that is the AI feature that are there, that is the high, low, and medium dashboard, that are the basically rule based output. And currently we can see that there is no user authentication is there. And this UI is a kind of a basic simple it is. So this is only I have done these only for to make the system simple and focused. And there can be the future developments that can I can also use in this project. Like some of the feature I can use, like I can add authentications, integrate real APIs like uh, open source API or others, and improve AI, like make a advanced user interface. And I can also add the searching and filtered properties features are there, so that user can find their task on the basis of their search. So this is all about my project. And at the end I can say that my more focused is on the clean architecture and correctness rather than just adding a lot of feature in it. So this is all about my project, and this is all about my that GitHub repo that I have made. And thank you for listening me. Thank you.